There he is, Albert Bloom. Frequents the Chinatown OTB every day at 3:30. Loses every day at 3:30. You're not a violent man, are you? You're just a desperate man.
I have a little bit of debt, to be sure.
So do I. It's pitiful, isn't it?
Herman.
Yeah?
Do you think it'll be any different for me?
When you kick it? Might be soon.
Could be.
You never know.
When Ellenberg shows up.
When will that be?
Very soon. Whoa, honey. Careful how you talk to me. Because if you think I've put you through hell, honey, you ain't seen shit. You know, it's a funny thing how women always think they can change a man. I was married twice, and both of these cunts thought they could change me. I'm still the same scumbag I was 20 years ago. Because men, we don't change. We just pretend to. I got no sleep. I've been up all night.
You gotta stop that.
What?
Still wasting time, worrying, going to these birthday parties. It's no good for you, Alan. I gotta get something over there.
At the pharmacy?
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Cecil. I want to add a +1 to my RSVP.
You want to add a +1?
Yeah, that's right.
For who?
Hi. I don't know if you remember me. I'm Alan. Now, Sherry, your mother and I want what's best, and we know these plants are getting you sick. We've got to get rid of these things.
We're worried about you, dear. We know you've been eating the plants.
This bitter earth
You're a comedian. You tell jokes for a living. I'm sure you have one joke to tell. To be funny.
Mr. Radisson?
Okay. Listen, Mr.
Stick, sir. Gavin Stick.
Mr. Stick. Can I just call you Gav?
No one's ever called me that before, but certainly, sir.
How much do you get, Gav?
How much, sir?
Come on, Gav, how much? How much do you get? Just tell Frank that I got things planned out. And I just need another day. I've booked a game tonight, Gav. It's a big one. He'll get his money, every single penny back. You know what I'm hearing here?
What?
We're selling golf clubs. I'm hearing that you really don't even have much respect for the game of golf. And if you don't, maybe you should be selling something else. Maybe you should be selling refrigerators, Izzy.
Listen, I can get a job selling wherever I want.
Good. So go get a job selling something else.
You don't appreciate what I do for you.
You gonna listen? Are you gonna change? Or are we taking you off the road? Your choice. Your choice.
You're gonna lose if you're taking me off the road.
My loss.